In this video, we are going to make a simple yet unique dark mode toggle for our website to enhance it. Let's get started. We've created a div with the class main. This is like a container holding all our content. Inside this, we have created a div with class bulb wrapper. As the name suggests, this contains the bulb, which is represented by this div with class bulb and ID bulb. Right now, it's just a placeholder, but later in JavaScript, we'll make it interactive. Then, we've created another container called container to hold our text content. Inside it, we have an H1 heading that says, "Welcome to Dark Mode Toggle." 2 paragraphs, one explains how to use the bulb to toggle the theme, and the other asks you to subscribe. So, if you're watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Finally, at the bottom of the file, we've included a JavaScript file using this line. This is where we'll write the logic to make the bulb functional. Now, let's move on to CSS for styling these code. Let's start with the general styles. This removes the default margin around the web page, giving us a clean slate to work with. We're using the Arial font for all the text on the page. If Arial isn't available, it'll fall back to any sans serif font. This makes smooth transitions between light and dark modes for the background and text colors. Now, the container and content styles. Display Flex enables Flexbox for easy alignment. Flex Direction column make the elements vertically. Align items center to center the items horizontally. Justify Content center to center the items vertically. Height 100%. Text Align center, centers the text within the container. Content. Margin bottom 20 pixels to add spacing below the text. H1NP adjust the text size. Font size. 2.5 rem makes the heading large and bold. Font size. 1.2 rem makes the paragraphs slightly larger for better readability. Bulb wrapper. Display Flex and Justify Content end place the bulb at the top right corner. Padding 1VW 4VW adds some spacing around it. Bulb. This creates the bulb shape. Width 50 pixels and height 80 pixels define its size. Background radial gradient gives it a glowing, yellowish light effect. Border radius 50% to makes it circular. Box shadow creates a glowing effect around the bulb. Cursor pointer changes the cursor to a pointer when hovering over the bulb. Transition makes the glow and background change smoothly when toggling. Bulb before. This is the base of the bulb. Position absolute to place it relative to the bulb. Top 80 pixels and left 16 pixels to position it below the bulb. Width 18 pixel and height 20 pixel. Background giving it a dark gray color. Border radius for rounded edges. Bulb dot off. This style applies when the bulb is turned off. The glow is removed with box shadow none. The color changes to gray with background radial gradient. Finally, we have the theme styles for light and dark modes. Body.light. Background color to set the background to white. And color to set the text color to black. Body.dark. Background color to make the background dark gray. And color to change the text to white for better contrast. It's time to write logic for our dark mode toggle. First, we grab the elements we need from the HTML. Document.getElement by ID bulb selects the bulb element using its ID. Document.body selects the body tag, because that's where we'll toggle the themes. Next, we set an initial theme state. This variable tracks whether we're in light mode or dark mode. By default, it's set to dark mode. Then comes the fun part, adding an event listener. Here, we're saying, "Hey, listen for a click on the bulb, and when it happens, execute this function." Inside the function, we toggle the isLightMode state. The operator flips the value of isLightMode. If it was false, it becomes true, and vice versa. Now we toggle the theme on the body. ClassList.toggle adds or removes a class based on the second argument. If isLightMode is true, we add the light class and remove the dark class. If it's false, we do the opposite. This is what changes the background and text colors based on the theme. Finally, we toggle the bulb's glow. If the theme is in dark mode, we add the off class to the bulb, making it appear turned off. Otherwise, we remove it to show the glowing bulb. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we've created an interactive dark mode toggle.